Open-hole completions are the least expensive and the simplest of multilateral configurations. On the other hand, they provide the fewest options for zonal isolation or future intervention. They are appropriate for hard rocks that are not susceptible to wellbore collapse. Open-hole completions should be viewed as disposable, that is, intended for early rapid production without regard to future problems. They may be particularly attractive where drilling costs are minimal or early production is large. An open-hole completion starts with a vertical trunk drilled to a point above the target. Laterals are then kicked off from the bottom up, through windows successively milled through the cased parent hole. The laterals, because they are open holes, can be short radius and can target relatively small geological flow units. In their simplest form, open-hole multilaterals are connected to the parent hole without any provision for shutoff or isolation. One way to isolate zones in an open-hole completion is to install production packers above and below each exit window and tubing strings to allow production with commingling. Access sleeves and sliding sleeves allow for through tubing access for selective intervention, or for shutoff in case problems emerge. In cementing a lateral, or at least the curved section of the well, which has frequently been the location of wellbore collapse, the first consideration is lateral hole size. Although slim hole cementing has been tried in some cases, laterals to be cemented are generally of larger diameter. 7 inches is typical. The liner string consists of a float, 150 to 300 feet of casing extended into the parent hole, and a liner hanger. Once cemented, the string can be selectively perforated. As with open-hole completions, several multilaterals can be installed in this manner. As an alternative, and in a similar manner, slotted liners can be installed. This is appropriate when zonal isolation is not critical. More advanced well completion technologies include the Level 5, which allows full hydraulic isolation of the junction between the vertical trunk and the lateral. The level number refers to rankings established by an Industry Technology Advancement Multilateral, or TAML, forum. In this configuration, a lateral entry nipple allows production isolation and through tubing re-entry capability in either lateral. Production can be commingled or, as